Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to do that awesome QR art that you've probably been seeing on the on Twitter and various other places. You can make QR codes into
And before that, subscribe to my channel to stay updated in the AI development.
art. Let me show you. Here's one I just did right now. You see these two puppy dogs, but these aren't regular puppy dogs. These are QR puppy dogs with the 3 eyes on that one. That's a little creepy. Okay, it got a little weird. But you'll see here that there's different types of QR art. This is Moroccan spices. These are other people's stuff. Tattoo artists. Let's go up here a little more. We've got this one here, which is pretty good. A guy on a takeout bike being a QR art, etc., etc. A self-loading hopper QR art. How do you do it? Let me show you step by step. First step, follow along with me. We want to go to our website here, and this is the one. We want to go to quickqr.art. So this is the site. Now, once you've got your site, you want to get a link. So I'm going to go to the Major League Baseball, why not? And I'm just going to copy and paste in the URL here, which is this one here. Copy and paste that in. Copy and paste that into the little box here that says URL. Paste that in, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and click Save over here. This is going to give you the QR code. So that's step one, get your free QR code, save it. And then once it's saved, you get a few different options. The one we're looking for is the one that says PNG. Left click on that, download the PNG, and presto, you'll see that it's downloaded over here. Now I'm just going to go ahead and open it in my Finder. You'll have it in Explorer if you're on a Windows PC. And there it is. There's the QR code. Let's get to work. Now, the next step is you want to go to Join Beta Now. When you do that, it's going to then shoot you into Discord. If this is your first time, it's going to ask you to agree to all the settings and all that stuff. But once you're in there, you'll now have access to this quick QR art Discord channel. Two things you need to do here. The first one, we're going to go here on the left side here. You'll see it's clicking on Paste Bin. This is where we go ahead and generate. So I'm going to go and again, I'm in the Paste Bin room. And all you got to do is just drag and drop in that image that you downloaded. So there's your QR code. Drag and drop it in, hit enter. Once you've done that, you'll see here, this is my QR code and it's been entered in. I'm just going to right click on the image and I'm going to go ahead and copy that link. Once I have that link, I can now go to any one of these 5 Pixel ML bot channels. I'm going to go to Pixel ML bot 5, but you can go to any of them. And here we go. All you got to do now, final step, /generate. Oops, there we go. Hit enter, and then it's going to say prompt and URL. So the prompt is, what do you want it to look like? This is kind of cool. I'm going to go with 2 bulldogs eating. Whatever, something silly like that. You guys can go nuts. And then I'm going to click on this URL, and I'm just going to copy and paste in the link that we saved to that QR code that we generated there over there. So I'm just going to hit enter, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to do its quick QR bot is thinking. And as soon as it's done, I'm going to come back, and that'll be the end of it. All right, welcome back. So here's what we got, and look at that. It's actually kind of cool. We got these 2 bulldogs, and it's got the QR code here. And yeah, it's kind of cool. So you can go ahead and play around with this. But this is how you do QR art, and you don't have to pay a single penny. It's all free. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to my channel to stay updated in the AI development.